welcome. It's important that you're comfortable for this meditation, as you're going to be surrendering to the moment. I suggest you lie down for this meditation. However, if you're used to sitting and you're comfortable sitting, please go right ahead. We're going to begin by focusing on the breath. Breathing in and breathing out. When we focus on the breath, it brings us to the here and now. So finding your own natural rhythm here. No force is required, as that is counterproductive to surrender. But the ideal breathing is in through the nose, down to the belly so that the belly rises and falls, just like a newborn baby. If thoughts arise in your mind, please don't be concerned about that. It's totally natural and normal. Simply come back to focusing on your breathing, or focusing on your belly gently rising and falling. Also, listening to the music is another option. And a tool that I've found extremely useful is having closed eyes, and it's like my eyes are looking down at my navel. So it's almost like they've got something to do, which stops or halts the incessant chatter. Quite amazing how it works. But I want you to keep breathing right now, just in and out. Softening and relaxing into the chair, into your seated position, or lying. In other words, your shoulders aren't up around your ears and sort of holding tension. They're down and back. Your hands are soft. Your jaw is relaxed. Maybe you can open your mouth slightly, with your tongue gently resting on the bottom of your mouth. Keep breathing. Breathing in and surrendering to now. You're here in this room, sitting or lying. breathing in and surrendering to the breath, allowing the breath to find its own natural rhythm. Breathing in and surrendering all your worries. It's as if they float out of the room. You're surrendering them, you're handing them over. To the universe, God, Spirit, or even your own intuition. You're handing all the concerns, you're surrendering. Breathing in and surrendering your body to the cushion that you're sitting on, or your chair, or the floor or mattress. Allowing yourself to be held. Surrender all the tension in your body. That's it. Let it all go. Breathing in and surrender. Breathing in and surrender. Breathing in and surrendering any thoughts that are arising. If you've become engaged in thinking, surrender right now to the breath. Breathing in and breathing out. Surrendering to the present moment. Breathing in and surrender. Breathing in and surrender any pain that you're feeling. Breathing in and surrender. If there's any feelings of agitation or irritation, breathing in and surrender that. It too is floating away, far into the distance. Breathing in and surrender. Can you allow yourself to surrender to the music? Allowing the music to wash over you and surrender. Again, surrendering your body to the cushion or the chair or the floor or mattress. Totally aware, totally focused, right here and now. You have surrendered. Breathing in and out. Breathing in and out. With the next breath in, breathing all the way down to your toes and wiggling your toes. With the next breath in, taking it all the way down to your hands and fingers and wiggling your fingers and hands. You might like to make a fist and release. Make a fist and surrender. Gently taking your time, moving your body and bringing yourself to, if you're not already seated, a seated position. Opening your eyes. And being aware of what you're seeing, what you're hearing, what you're sensing. Can you smell anything? Using your senses to keep you in the present moment, surrendering to the moment, allowing the moment to be. I do hope you've received some benefit from this 10-minute meditation. Congratulations for making the time, and also thank you for joining me. If you would like more, there is an uploaded meditation every day, and pressing the notifications button means that you're going to be reminded every day to incorporate 10 minutes of meditation into your life. I wish you all the very best, and I look forward to being the voice in your meditation tomorrow.